Alright guys, welcome back. This is Gemini Tools once again. Oh, you finally get to see my face, huh? Well, it's already in my logo. So anyway, let's get it. Today I want to come to you guys and tell you just some tips for like beginner technicians. Basically, and I am driving guys, so I gotta pay attention to the road. Anyway, for beginner technicians, if you're looking to get into the automotive field, there's plenty of room for you guys for sure. Like, we definitely need technicians, especially on the Chrysler Dodge side, and that's all around the industry. And then even for like diesel technicians, man, the demand is high for diesel technicians, guys. So one word of advice coming in as a young technician, I would learn diesel first. Before I learn anything else or whatever, I would learn diesel first and go from there, because I can't really be biased because I don't really know as much about the diesel side as I do automotive, but I do feel like once you know diesel, it's easier to pick up on just doing regular automotive, gasoline engines after that. But excuse the hair, guys, by the way, too, because usually keep a fresh cut, but right now your boy's out here nappy. Anyway, tools, guys, let's talk tools. So far as beginning, I have a couple different scenarios with people that are actually currently like in the shop with me. So I do have this guy. He was my apprentice for a short bit. He had some Snap-on, we actually went to his school and I helped him pick out a Snap-on starter set for him, and the cost is probably about $4,000 to $5,000, guys. This is a fully loaded tool cart with the beginner Snap-on tool kit. So it's wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, sockets, you name it, ratchets, whatever. So the basic automotive starter kit with the 6-drawer roll around, all Snap-on stuff, which is not bad, guys. If you pay that off, that $4 or $5 grand, you pay that off, maybe 2-3 years into your career, and you're up $5,000 of tools in a roll cart. That's great. It's all Snap-on, so that's great. So it should last you lifetime of your career, and then you're not going to do anything but add more stuff to that. Okay, so that's a good deal, guys, but it might not be practical for everyone, and also that comes with the monthly additional bill for some of you guys to pay. Right now you're starting off in your career, you're not really making money, so I think that's about $150 per month, of costs, and that'll be over maybe like 5 years. Plus, Snap-on has a high interest rate, guys, so you gotta think about that too. So that $4,000 or $5,000 will probably end up being, about 10 to 12 or whatever. But anyway, another route we can go, guys. I do have a guy that now he's a rookie technician. He was an apprentice. He was working with one of my buddies in the shop, and he actually, he's still living at home and stuff. He's pretty young, maybe like 20, 21. And this guy has managed to be smart with his money, and he's able to save a couple $1,000s at a time. And this guy has literally pieced together maybe I want to say about a $6,000 maybe plus little tool set so far. He has a 2-bank Snap-on box. He's paid for his cash payoff with the student discount. He has a all black roll around, the big 40-inch Snap-on with the stainless steel top. That's paid off. And he has Milwaukee impacts and stuff like that, some Milwaukee pry bars, Snap-on sockets. He has a pretty good basic starter kit, guys, for about $6,000. But the thing is, it's paid off, so that's a good deal. Now, another option, which I'm not gonna be able to lay out every single option for you guys, but right now, if I was to start all over again, my option, Harbor Freight, the Snap, not the Snap-on, but the professional tool, professional mechanics tool cart or whatever, the $600 roll cart, guys. And then even if you're starting off, you got a less budget, that $300 roll cart, whatever it is, guys. But the $600 roll cart that is similar to Snap-on, I mean, even me as a veteran technician now, I still would go and buy one of those now. So I would get that cart, guys, and then I would just go. It's so many different companies that's making good quality stuff these days. I mean, you can get you some gear wrench ratchets, or you can get any kind of ratchets, guys. It don't really matter. Get you a good basic socket set. Get you some good wrenches. Gear wrench is like bottom tier good wrenches, guys. And then I would get some good pliers. I mean, you can go into Harbor Freight, get the Doyle brand. Those look pretty decent, and you just upgrade as you go, guys. You can even start off with a Craftsman like socket set and just move up from there. But it's so many brands. It's Osa, Gear Wrench, you know, you got Capri, so many other brands, guys.